Good evening. I take this opportunity to thank Lord Bhikhu Parekh for visiting our campus, for gracing this function, for visiting LJ University. So on behalf of LJ University, I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to give Lord Bhikhu Parekh a memento as a token of appreciation and the knowledge that he shared with us. A big round of applause for Lord Bhikhu Parekh who gave this function and bless us all. Thank you, Lord Parekh, and I definitely hope that this is not the last time we see you, and we'll always hope for a fruitful future relationship with you. So looking forward to more such interactions, more in-depth interactions, okay, where we'll be learning a lot more things from you. Again, I take this occasion to thank Professor Dhawal Mehta. Thank you so much, Professor Dhawal Mehta, to make LJ University a part of this book and a part of this academic journey. Lot of thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Avasthi. Thank you so much for coordinating through this function with us and making, because probably it's the first time that there's been an official book launch, and this is the first session, this is an inaugural session of the LJ University series, where we are dealing in terms of economy, polity and society. So this is the first session that the Honorable Vice Chancellor has kick-started. So I definitely believe we'll be having more sessions over here. A lot of thanks to Dr. Manish Shah, who is always very enthusiastic when there is a new academic endeavor, and there's a lot of interesting ideas that he gives and supports us through this entire thing. Thanks Professor Veeral Shah, because I totally agree to the fact that a lot of our students are from vernacular medium, and given the fact that, as he said, people think and dream in their mother tongue, so I definitely hope that this book, not only for management students, but for IMBA students, for BBA students and for BCom students, is going to be very interesting. See, we all are going to put it in our library, include reading sessions of it, because this book, I believe, is a compendium of research that Professor Mehta has done over the past. So I believe not only would there be classical things, but a lot of contemporary issues are also going to be covered in it. Again, I would also want to thank the coordinators of this event, so Dr. Neha Shah and Professor Ratuja Brahmat. Okay, thank you so much. Special thanks to the faculties. Lot of thanks to the guests that we have today. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion. There's a lot of uncertainty given the advent of COVID and the third wave that somehow sound mellow. We try to keep the restrictions as much as possible, as Lord Parekh had mentioned that social distancing and COVID restrictions have to be taken care of. So we looked at the exit capacity of the auditorium. We filled in just 50% of it and double ensured that it was exactly as per the norms of COVID that have been specified. So thank you so much for supporting us, and thank you everyone who supported this function. That would be thank you for me. And yes, thank you directors who took your time off and came to visit us over here. Thank you.